Welcome to our exploration of the 10 windiest cities in Idaho and how residents adapt. Wind is more than just a weather phenomenon. In Idaho, it shapes the lifestyle and culture of various cities across the state. In this video, we'll journey through each of these unique locales, from the bustling streets of Pocatello to the serene landscapes of Lewiston, uncovering how residents embrace the breezy conditions. Join us as we discover the challenges and creative solutions that come with living in Idaho's windiest cities. 1. Pocatello. The gateway to wind. Pocatello, often referred to as the gateway to the Northwest, is notorious for its blustery conditions. With winds averaging around 11.6 miles per hour, it's a city where gusts are an everyday affair. Residents have learned to embrace the wind, often seen donning windbreakers and securing outdoor furniture with extra care. Some locals have even taken up wind sports, using the natural conditions to their advantage. For many, the sound of the wind is a comforting constant, much like a lullaby that sings them to sleep. 2. Idaho Falls. An eddying experience. Known for its scenic beauty, Idaho Falls is also famous for its persistent winds. Here, the average wind speed is about 11.5 miles per hour. The Snake River Plain, which the city sits on, acts as a wind tunnel, funneling breezes through the area. Residents have adapted by building wind-resistant structures and planting windbreaks of trees to shield their homes. The wind is also harnessed for energy, with wind farms dotting the landscape, turning a natural challenge into a renewable resource. 3. Rexburg. The college town with a twist. Rexburg, home to Brigham Young University, Idaho, experiences average winds of 10.6 miles per hour. Students and locals alike navigate the breezy conditions with layers and sturdy footwear. The wind is so ingrained in the community that it's become a part of the campus culture, with students often joking about the Rexburg hairdo, a style shaped by the constant gusts. Additionally, wind energy initiatives have been embraced, with the town investing in wind turbines to power parts of the city. 4. Burley. Blowing in the Magic Valley. Nestled in the Magic Valley, Burley faces winds averaging around 10.5 miles per hour. The agricultural community has leveraged the wind to aid in crop pollination, turning what could be a nuisance into an agricultural benefit. Residents have become adept at securing their belongings and designing wind-friendly gardens. The Magic Valley is aptly named, as residents have found ways to turn the challenge of wind into a magical opportunity for innovation and sustainability. 5. Twin Falls. Windy Wonders. Twin Falls, another city in the Magic Valley, experiences winds averaging 10.2 miles per hour. Known for its stunning waterfalls and breathtaking canyons, the city also faces steady breezes. Residents have adapted by constructing homes with wind-resistant designs and using windbreaks like fences and hedges. The wind has also become a tourist attraction, with visitors enthralled by the dramatic landscapes uniquely shaped by the gusts. 6. Jerome. The crossroads of winds. Jerome, positioned at the crossroads of several major highways, experiences winds averaging 10.1 miles per hour. The wind is a constant companion for the community, influencing everything from farming practices to daily life. Locals often joke about the Jerome lean, a stance perfected over time to counteract the force of the wind. Farmers have learned to use windbreaks and sturdy crops to protect their fields, ensuring that the wind, while challenging, does not hinder productivity. 7. Mountain Home. The Breezy Base. Known for its Air Force Base, Mountain Home experiences winds averaging 10 miles per hour. The military community is no stranger to adapting to challenging conditions, and the wind is no exception. Residents have embraced wind-resistant gardening techniques and often use stones and other heavy materials in landscaping to minimize wind damage. The wind is seen as a training partner, with Air Force personnel using it to their advantage in various training exercises. 8. Blackfoot. The potato capital's breezes. Blackfoot, famous for its potato production, faces winds averaging 9.9 miles per hour. Farmers have adapted by planting wind-resistant crops and using innovative farming techniques to protect their yields. The community is tight-knit, often coming together to support one another during particularly windy spells. The wind has become a part of the town's identity, much like its beloved potatoes, and residents wear their wind-swept hair with pride. 9. Boise. The capital current. Idaho's capital, Boise, experiences average winds of 9.8 miles per hour. The city, known for its vibrant culture and outdoor activities, has seamlessly integrated the wind into its lifestyle. Cyclists and joggers are a common sight, often seen braving the breezes along the Boise River Greenbelt. The wind has become a source of energy, with several wind farms contributing to the city's renewable energy goals. Boiseans have learned to dance with the wind, seeing it as a partner rather than a foe. 10. Lewiston. The area center. The rise of environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investing is shifting investor priorities. Companies are now pressured to adopt sustainable practices to maintain market appeal. Investors are increasingly evaluating businesses based on their ESG performance, influencing stock valuations and investment decisions. This shift represents a profound change in how markets operate, with sustainability becoming a key determinant of financial success. Companies that fail to align with these priorities risk losing investor support, impacting their market position and financial health.